it's something live here. So someone was asking how exactly it is they can be live streaming and also have like Bible output to their screen and also at the same time to the live stream, right? So I'm going to put you guys on how you can do that or make that happen. So I send my signals from vMix via NDI, right? So if you go to my vMix right now and I try to add NDI source, for example, I have two. EasyWorship is going to be from my EasyWorship source, and then Bible show. This is the Bible show. I'm using a lower third for my Bible show, right? So because I already have I've customized my vMix with my shortcuts, right? So if I go ahead and click the button on my keyboard, because I've customized it, I've done a shortcut on this already. If I press my button, I'm going to have the lower third, right? So let's say this is what I'm like streaming to the online viewers. I can also have this displayed to the screen in the hall, right? Via my full screen option. Yes. My full screen option has the output. My output is the video feed here and then the Bible layouts that I'm sending out. Yes. So both my viewers online and then the viewers inside the church, they can see this video source, for example, on the screen. And they can also see this Bible layout on the screen inside the church and online. So let's say I don't want to use a lower third. I want everyone in the church to also see it, right, on full screen. Also, this is going to appear on the live stream. All I have to do is to go ahead and press. I already programmed my vMix to how I want it to work. So if I press this, you're going to have the full screen. So this full screen can go to the screen in the hall, and also my viewers online can also see this view screen. So yes, this is how it works. So who asked the software that I use? I use Easy Worship and Bible Show. Yes. I have my shortcut already activated. I can take off the lower third. I can put off the lower third. I can also just take it off. But then again, my main video source, which is, for example, who is preaching, has to be who will be on this screen, for example. Let's say this is the video source of who is preaching or my camera field. I can put in my lower third. I can put in my lower third, right? So yeah, this how it basically works. I hope this helps. Thank you guys for watching and do well to subscribe, like, and comment. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you guys for watching.